these projects, you guys made all the legend come true again. On the demo day, all the demo works, and that proved to be true today as well. So thanks for making that happen.